आओ हम सीखे अल्फ़ाबेट।
A for apple.
B for buffalo. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink. J for juice. K for king. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for net. O for onion. P for potato. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sweet potato. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.